drew a big duck. And a big, big duck. And Mom, isn't that scary? And I said, oh, yes, honey, that's scary. And then I just agreed so he could go to sleep. I said, okay, honey, go to sleep. And he's like,
Mom, you know when it was Christmas? Cuckoo.
what? What did he do?
Cuckoo woke up when he was...
Oh, you want to hear something funny?
Yeah. No.
You want to hear it?
Is it about me?
Yes.
Uh-oh.
It was last night. I recorded him snoring.
How loud was I?
Pretty loud. You want to hear it?
Yeah. Did you record it? You recorded it? Mom, you recorded it?
You want to hear it?
Uh-huh.
It's a voice recording.
You can wait. Was it actually him?
Yes, here.